So I have here a third generation Lexus IS, and I have a slight issue with the way that the doors unlock. So I have keyless entry. If I put my hand in here, it unlocks the doors. Well, fine, it's unlocked the driver's side door, but if I go over here, it hasn't unlocked the passenger door. If I put my hand in again, it doesn't do any more unlocking. I actually have to go over here onto the door card and press the unlock button, and then it'll unlock all the doors. Alternatively, if I lock it again, if I go around the passenger side, if I put my hand in here, it unlocks the passenger door. Well, all the passenger doors are unlocked, but that's only if I go in on the passenger side. If I go in on the driver's side, which I often do, it only unlocks one door, the driver's door. Similarly, if I go on the key fob and press unlock, if I press it, it only unlocks this door, the driver's door. The passenger's door is still locked. I actually have to press the key fob twice in quick succession, and that will unlock all the doors. So how do I fix this? Or if you do like only having the driver's door unlocked, how do you change it back so that you have the operation work the way that I just showed it there? Now, because I've got keyless entry, I have to get the car started. So foot on the brake and then press the stop start button, because keyless entry is often paired with push button start. So now you have to wait for the infotainment system to be ready, which takes a little while with the warnings and so forth. What you need to do is you need to press menu. So it'll take you to the main menu of the infotainment system. And then you need to use the silly, not a trackpad, not a mouse controller, to go to setup. Press it down. Takes a little while. Sorry, I'm out of focus. And then, at least on my system, you need to scroll across once, and then the item that you want is vehicle. So press on vehicle. You want vehicle customization, and then go up to door lock settings. Now, if you want to change it so that the key fob here unlocks all the doors with one press, you would click on remote two press unlock and then change it to off. Obviously, if you want it the other way around, you change it to on. So that fixes the key fob so that all doors are unlocked with one press. And then for putting your hand into the door handle, you need to do a separate setting, which is select doors to unlock. You press on that. Make sure that it's on all doors instead of driver's door. Alright, so I've changed it so that it's the other way around. Now we can turn the car off. Step outside. And then lock the car. Alright, so the car is locked. Let's double check that. Definitely locked. So I'm going to put my hand in here. And as you can see, obviously it's unlocked the driver's door. And it's also unlocked the passenger door. Going to lock it. Alright, all the doors have locked. And now with the key fob, press once. As you can hear, all the doors have unlocked. So go to the rear door, and that is unlocked as well. So there you have it. That is how you change the settings on the door unlock, whether it's to make sure that you only unlock the driver's door with the key fob, one press, or putting your hand in, or the other way around. That is how you change it on this generation of Lexus models. If you found this video helpful, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks and bye.